Now the string is no longer printing because false is not true. But what about other values? Try changing the condition to the string false. So we would change the string false. Okay, um, false. Oh, sorry, your code does not pass. Keep trying. Your if statement should have the string false as the condition. Ah, okay. So perhaps let's try another one. So um so we have to change the condition to the string false. Okay, that was misleading. Let's redo this one, reset rather. Let's not change this line of code, and this boolean should be changed to a string false. There it is. Nice.